Ka Eklavia Model Residential School Emrs ka badang shna haso poru Nongstoiñ kalapoi shi ka benta ka bajandap prapo persen ka kam lala ban pendam ya kani ka projek lawan ra bat bu maunong rem hakapor jung MLA berem ka Nongstoiñ uba mak milan bersat belayo jing ya ro halor ka jingla ban penpoi ki skim beper hapo ka konstituensi la Khmih Lynti bakani ka residential school belatai lingba da ka sarkar Khmih lingba ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs kanlong ka benta ka bakongsan pan kentiu ka Pule puthi ka than bat ondala ple paj ba kan ai ka jing Pule ka bapaka bat kan ple lat ru ban penyo ka jing don kam ki bathamai na ka benta ki khna Pule kham tam ki tu ki bawan na ki snong nong kondong bar ki jaka bajngai ki paj ba ki Khmih Lynti ba ka kam ka basa on pendap no kham kloi khnang bagane ka skul kan stang tre kam no bat kan ai jing mentoi ki Samla Pule bat ka imlang sa alang hi baro ko wei u Shen maji u badai u site engineer jong ka te ka project ula pentikena bakum berapa persen ni jing te lala ban pendap bat kan simpor setang kumbalai benai ban pendap lut jing shna.
Yes. My name is Sushant Maji and he is this is a Emrs project from central government, NEST, National Education Society, and it is a Emrs project for Iohpdiang model residential school. Have a school building and this is a girls hostel. And have also staff quarter for facility and principal's residentials also. Have 500 student facility there and have a medical also and chemistry lab also have there and physics and chemistry have there.
And the percentage
And
that
the percentage of work finished almost 80% and we have expected target to finish this project up to 2 to 3 months.